Good morning. So today we are going to do a quick cleanup of my downstairs area. My bar downstairs is, honest to God, like a catch-all for everything. We make our coffee down here. I make my smoothies down here. We just warm up food down here. We pretty much use it as a second kitchen because we can be in front of the TV and I can kind of get my kids ready down here in the play area, which I love. So we're gonna clean up, and we're actually gonna start off right now by making a nice cup of relaxing tea. I've been a little stressed out lately, and I feel like I just need to unwind, and I don't really know how to lately because my normal methods aren't working. So we are going to just Melissa tea, some hot water, and my favorite magnesium drink. Now that is a really big dose. So I'm literally just gonna drink my tea. I just finished my cup of tea and I honestly feel so much better and so much calmer. So I'm going to get started and finally clean this hot mess of mine that we have here. Hey, if you guys like this video, do me a favor, click like and subscribe to my channel. You'll get to see what I made for dinner at the end of the video, and you'll get to also see my kids' cute reaction. So today I just started by clearing off the countertops. The mess was coupled from last night and from the morning routine that we have. Oh, thank you to magic. I really do need to get better at having a nighttime routine, but honestly sometimes it's hard because when the kids go to bed, I end up crashing shortly afterwards, and throughout the day my kids are such high energy kids that they do not stop moving. So I am busy just all day long, and it leads me to be really tired in the evenings. I'd love to hear from you guys. Comment down below. Do you guys clean in the evenings after your kids go to bed, or do you prefer to clean in the morning when you wake up refreshed?
In the woods, yet today, if they wouldn't have found me, I don't dare to think about what I would have been without them. Oh, thank you.
Upstairs in our kitchen, we actually have a bigger sink and a dishwasher, but we honestly rarely use it because, like I said, we're always in the family room, and somehow this bar ends up just where we eat, where we, drink, where we relax.
Call me out, tiger. Call me out, why don't you love? Lift me up higher above the clouds, won't you love? when the scenery is right, go right in. I wanna fall deep within. Don't leave me hanging just 'cause I'm too proud.
Oops. Okay, so I originally bought this one, and it is a cream color, and it looked fine in the store, and I get home and I think it just looks really a little too yellow for me. So I had my husband go back and he bought the king in the gray, and I think we're gonna end up keeping this one because my sheets are cream and I just think it would be a perfect contrast, honestly. So we're gonna end up keeping this one, and I'm gonna return that one back. But I'm super excited. By the way, this king set was $30, and I'm super excited about this mattress pad, you guys. So I've been on the hunt for a mattress pad for probably a good 2-3 months. Last one we had for whatever. So one of our beds have been without a mattress pad, and every time I went somewhere, a good mattress pad like this thick was extremely expensive, and I just didn't want to spend the money. I said I know I'm gonna come across the deal, and I did. So this was $30. But this mattress pad is unbelievably thick. I swear this is like a $60 or $70 mattress pad. I love this. I'm super excited. And this was also at Aldi. Great find. A few days ago, I went through some stuff and sorted out things that I know need to go into storage. So you see me here putting those bags by the stairs to take into the car. Tonight, I'm just making a healthy salad for my family and trying out these grilled chicken strips that I got from Costco. I'm also making a green smoothie that my kids drank a huge glass of.
It's not you, it's me, it's she.
We really like to make smoothies and green juices at our house, and I have to tell you guys that I absolutely love my Vitamix. It is like the best appliance I've ever bought.
I don't have much. What did you turn off?
We don't.
What?
Dobra? Zrób tak, jak dobra. Chodź tak. Emilia, dobra?